If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together. Hey, what's going on today, everyone? I hope you're all doing great out there. Just wanted to bring you in for this quick trade on the Euro USD pair here. Basically, what we're looking at is 1 minute and 30 seconds to expiration. We saw this pull back on the wick, showing that it's getting to a point where it wants to bounce back out of this lower Bollinger range. So we'll be looking to either take a scalp or we will hold till expiration. But it looks like we are pretty close to profits now. 14 times 5 be about, I believe, 75 in total, somewhere around there. So we'll be looking to take about $35 to $40 in early profits if we get the chance. And I'll also cover the shadow trades we've taken for this week so far. So let's see here. We'll see if we end up holding or if we get the chance to exit early. 44 seconds. But yeah, you can learn exactly how to do the strategy you see here in the educational package. Should be the top link in the description below. That way you'll be able to make more accurate trades and time them correctly when you see the right indications, which is all I'm doing here. So basically, yeah, you see it still hasn't even touched that wick area. Contracts are 7 seconds from expiring. Now, be careful if you're one of those people that decides to wait until the last minute to enter a candle. There we go, expired, so we got our full profit there. Because sometimes Nadex will not always expire right at the 15-minute mark. In this case, you see how the candle didn't or the trade didn't expire until like 20 seconds past the minute. Sometimes that happens. Most times it's like that, really. So just be careful, because those extra 20 seconds, sometimes a move can happen that will, ruin your good position that you had. That's why overall 90% of the time I really prefer to just scalp profits early. But there you go. So that was a great trade to start today off. I want to go ahead and cover week 2 of the shadow trading for the month of May. We're not completely done with the week yet. I just like to post a midweek shadow trading recap, and then on my follow-up video I will likely include the total results of the week. So for session 1 so far this week, session 1 we had 1 total trade taken and it was a winner. For session 2, the markets were really choppy and I didn't see any positions I was fully confident in for the group. So I always try to keep the best interest of the group in mind. If you want to learn more about the shadow trading group, it's in the link down below as well. But basically what we do there, I just send out my alerts anytime I enter and exit a trade. And if you choose to follow, you can. But yeah, so for session 2, we had no trade that day because I just wasn't sure of the overall market direction. The bigger trends were more sideways, and I like to trade with a lot of confidence in what I'm doing. So none of my indicators were letting me know of any good plays, and the market's being sideways. It just wasn't a good market condition. So no working orders or anything. We were watching a couple different plays for potential openings, but they never came. So session 3, we did have another trade on session 3 and it was a winner as well. And then today is session 4, and then tomorrow will be session 5, which have not happened yet. But so far we are keeping with 0 losses for the month of May. We are 7 trades in, so that's about on par. We still got another like 3/4 of the month left to go. So I do believe we will have a lot more great trades in that time span. But I just wanted to bring you guys in to go over all this with you And I hope you guys are having a good one, and I'll see you next time. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below, and let's start making this money together.